Hey guys, we are going to talk about all fall stuff today. Fall at the home, how to create a cozy look that doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of money. First, I have to feed the animals, and we're just going to kind of check on the garden on our way. Pumpkins are all doing great. Look at that. I've got a bunch that are actually ready to be picked. You can't really see them all in this maze, but they're doing pretty great. I've got some white ones here. How fun is that? Yeah, what do you think, Kai? What do you think? I know. I also have these little mini white ones. I love the mini whites. They're so cute. Okay, should we go check on the animals? My mom and dad's favorite squash, and I really only grow them for them, so I'll be delivering them in a couple weeks. Hi guys, what you doing this morning? Are you doing good? Let's get you some food. Hi guys. Hey, Mr. Monster. You want a treat, huh? Oh, get you a treat. Hi guys. What's up? You guys eating all the Wheaties? Yeah. Hi guys. Come here. What's up, Dad? Let's go. Come on, I'm coming. Oh, quit it. Let's get you some treats. This is how we have to do it. Real fast. Yeah. There we go. And okay. Enough for everybody. No, that's it. Okay. Everybody's been fed. Now we can go and focus in the house. Let's go have a sit down and just chat. Okay, so let's talk about fall decorating. In all my years of decorating my home, I have tried just about everything. As the seasons change, I find myself having less and less time to decorate for each season. My desire to keep easy decor that changes with the season has become important to me. There are so many things that you can do to create a relaxed, cozy look for fall that will carry you through the fall and winter seasons and even throughout the entire year. Often I think we think of fall decor as Halloween and Thanksgiving, and there's no reason why we should separate those. You can, you can do anything you want, but I really have never been a fan of separating them because that's just twice the amount of work. I do love to decorate, but I like to make it easy. And these days I try to focus on items that will work for both. So I have 5, well, kind of 6 tips that I like to do, simple elements that you can add to your home through the fall that will give it that cozy feel that you want, but you don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to put a lot of effort into it, and it can carry you throughout the whole entire year. Let me show you. There are specific items you can add to your home that will give it cozy fall vibes without having to spend a lot of money or become trapped in a certain holiday. Here are 5 elements I like to add to my home to give those cozy fall vibes. First, I like to change out my pillows. Here's a tip: order new pillow covers and cover your current pillows. It is usually way less expensive, and you can wash them and store them easier. Most of my pillow covers come from Amazon or Walmart. There are so many inexpensive options available. I added some simple velvet pillows as well as a gorgeous linen pillow to my couch to add in those fall colors. Use warm colors that speak to you. For me, this is muted olive greens, mustards, rusts, and some tans and creams. I like to add textures with wood woven baskets, leather, wall hangings, and fabrics such as velvet and burlap. Balance them with some lighter objects such as a vase or two. I like to add a throw blanket or two using similar colors or a neutral color that will carry throughout the year. This blanket was purchased at Walmart, and I love the pattern with the rust color feeding through the blanket. In my mudroom, I decided to take it down to nothing and add a couple accessories, such as this really cute wall hanging, which I got from Walmart as well, and a couple of pillows. I think pillows make such a difference in a space, and they add a touch of softness and texture that I think we all love to have during those fall months. One of my favorite things to add in the fall or any time of year is a new rug. Rugs are my love language. I love changing them out through the season, and just simply adding this rug changes the whole look and it'll last all year. One thing you may not think about is adding new dinnerware, fall-inspired napkins, or even a new set of interesting glasses to your table. This year I bought this set of black dishes with gold rims. I really wanted to add some more moody pieces to my collection. They look gorgeous, they are affordable, they look perfect for fall, and I think they'll be perfect for all through the year. In the end, I guess my goal is to make sure I consider the longevity of a piece that I can add to my home. Is it something that I can carry through all the season and look timeless? In the end, what you choose for your home is perfect for you. The great thing about home decor is that there are so many options that work whether it's fall, winter, or spring. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and if you want to see more, check out my website, 12onmain.com.